In a remote forest, a group of individuals gathered for a survival skills workshop. Under the guidance of an experienced instructor, they learned to identify edible plants and created improvised shelters using available materials. As they navigated through the dense underbrush, participants practiced essential skills like making fire without matches and purifying water from a nearby stream. Each challenge brought newfound confidence, highlighting the importance of observation and adaptability. This immersive experience reminded everyone that nature not only teaches survival skills, but also fosters a deeper connection to the environment.